Hello children, can you tell me what is this? Yes, this is a clock. Clock. A, what does a clock do? Can you tell me what does a clock do? Yes, a clock tells us time. What does a clock do? A clock tells us time. Very good. So, in this video, we are going to see time, T-I-M-E, time. Clock tells us time. Very good. So, in this video, we are going to see the parts of a clock. What are we going to learn from this video? We are going to learn the parts of a clock. Do you know how many parts does a clock have? Yes? Very good. Clock has 3 parts. How many parts? 1, 2, 3 parts. A clock has 3 parts. So the first part of a clock is its face. What? Its face. Do you have a face? Yes, you have a face. You have a beautiful face. What do you have on your face? You have eyes, nose, lips, ears, cheeks on your face. Does a clock have eyes, nose, lips and cheeks? No. Clock doesn't have eyes, nose, lips like you. Then what does a clock have on its face? A clock has numbers on its face. Yes, the round part of a clock is its face. This is the face of a clock. Clock doesn't have body parts like you. Clock has numbers on its face. Okay, how many numbers does a clock have? Yes, clock has 12 numbers on its face. Very good. Then what is the second part of a clock? So the first part is its face and the second part is its hands. How many hands does a clock have? Yes, clock has 2 hands. You also have 2 hands. But your hands are of the same size. But the clock's hands are not of the same size. They are not equal. It has one long hand and one short hand. Repeat. Yes, it has one long hand and one short hand. What is the name of the long hand? The long hand is also called the minute hand. Minute hand. M-I-N-U-T-E. Minute hand. So the other name of the long hand is minute hand. Very good. Then what is the other name of the short hand? The other name of the short hand is overhand. H-O-U-R, over, H-A-N-D, hand. H is silent here. So, our hand. The other name of the short hand is overhand. So, minute hand and overhand. The minute hand tells us the time in minutes and the overhand tells us the time in hours. So, the 2 hands of the clock are, yes, tell me what are the 2 hands of the clock? The 2 hands of the clock are minute hand and overhand. Is this clear, children? Minute hand and overhand. So the overhand takes 60 minutes to move from one number to the other number. It means it takes full 1 hour. So you already know that 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. So it takes full 60 minutes to move from one number to the other number. But the minute hand takes 60 minutes to complete one full round of the face of the clock. So it takes 60 minutes to take one full round, and it takes 60 minutes to move from one number to the other number. Clear? When the minute hand is at 12, the hour hand tells us the time of the day. You understand, children? When the minute hand is at 12, the hour hand tells us the time. Now look at the clock. The minute hand is at 12. So the hour hand is at 3. So what is the time now? It is 3 o'clock. Very good. Now tell me, what time is it? 7 o'clock. Very good. What is the time now? 9 o'clock. Very good. What time is it? 10 o'clock. So small hand is showing 10. So it means it is 10 o'clock. What time it is? 6 o'clock. Very good. Now tell me the time. Both the hands are at 12. So what time is it now? It is 12 o'clock. Very good. Now 5 o'clock. Now 7 o'clock. Now 11 o'clock. Very good, children. Now you know to read the clock. You learn to read the clock. When the long hand is at 12, short hand will tell us the time of the day. Very good. Now you understood how to read the time. Our next step is to learn to write the time in two ways. So first I will show you the time, and then we will learn to write it in two ways. The time is, it's 11 o'clock. See, it's small hand is at 11 and long hand is at 12. So let us write the 11 o'clock in two ways. First, 11 o'clock. O'clock means off the clock. So 11. O apostrophe, then clock. C-L-O-C-K. 11 o'clock. So this is one way of writing time. 11 o'clock time. What is the other way of writing? 11 colon 00. So this is one way of writing, and this is another way. We can write the time in two ways. Next, what time is it now, children? Yes, shorthand is at 6. So the time is 6 o'clock now. So how to write 6 o'clock in two ways? Can you see, children, clearly? Yes. I'll write it and show you. 6 O apostrophe clock. C-L-O-C-K. 6 o'clock. And other way of writing 6 o'clock is 6 colon 00. Right? Okay. We can do one more sum. long hand is at 12 and short hand is at 3. What is the time now? Very good, children. 3 o'clock. So 3 o 3 o'clock. Yes. 3 colon 00. Very good. Can we do one more sum? Yes. 9. Yes. Long hand is at 12 and short hand is showing 9. So the time is 9 o'clock. So the fourth one is 9 o'clock. 9 o 9 o'clock. And 9 colon 00. So this way you can write the time in two ways.